Good afternoon. Please stand for the prayer. Instill in us, O Lord, the true meaning of friendship. Never let us forget that we are all thy children. Notwithstanding the differences in our culture and creeds, endow us with a desire to serve our fellow men, remembering that we too often need help whenever or wherever the need for service arises. Help us to be ready to serve, enduring to make our badge of inner will worthwhile, ensuring that we have not lived in vain. Thank you.
कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते।
जटाटवीगलज्जल प्रवाह पावितस्थले कलेवलम्ब्य लम्बितां भुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिकान्तमड्डमड्डमड्डमन्निनादवड्डमर्वयं चकार चण्डताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिव शिवम् जटाकटाह सम्भ्रम भ्रमन्निलिम्ब निर्झरी विलोल वीचि वल्लरी विराजमान मूर्धनि धगद्धगद्धगज्ज्वलल्ललाट पट्ट पावके किशोर चन्द्रशेखरे रतिः प्रतिक्षणं मम जटाभुजंग पिंगल स्फुरत्फणामणि प्रभा कदम्ब कुङ्कुमद्रव प्रलिप्त दिग्वधूमुखे मदान्ध सिन्धुर स्फुरद्वगुत्तरीय मेदुरे मनो विनोदमद्भुतं बिभर्तु भूत भर्तरि ॐ नमः शिवाय। सदाशिवं भजाम्यहं सदाशिवं भजाम्यहम् ॐ नमः शिवाय। प्रफुल्लनीलपङ्कज प्रपञ्चकालिमप्रभावलम्बिकण्ठकन्दली रुचिप्रबद्धकन्धरं स्मरच्छिदं पुरच्छिदं भवच्छिदं मखच्छिदं गजच्छिदान्धकच्छिदं तमन्तकच्छिदं भजे अखर्व सर्वमङ्गलाकर कलाकदम्बमञ्जरी रसप्रवाहमाधुरी विजृम्भणा मधुव्रतं स्मरान्तकं पुरान्तकं भवान्तकं मखान्तकं गजान्तकान्धकान्तकं तमन्तकान्तकं भजे नित्यमेव मुक्तमुत्तमोत्तमं पठन् स्मरन् ब्रुवन्नरो विशुद्धिमेति सन्ततं हरे गुरौ सुभक्तिमाशु याति नान्यथा गतिं विमोहनं हि देहिनां सुशङ्करस्य विमोहनं हि देहिनां सुशङ्करस्य विमोहनं हि देहिनां सुशङ्करस्य चिन्तनो
Jain. And now I request President Anandita to please welcome today's guest. President Anandita, please welcome today's guest.
Respected District Chairman Anuradha ji, IIW President Veena ji, past Association President Smita ji, Guest of Honor PDC Manju ji, District Officers present, Honorable PDCs, Inner Wheel members, Rotarians and invited guests. We welcome you all to the virtual installation ceremony of Vaishali Shah as President of IWC Pimpri. Thank you.
We request Vaishali Jain to please give messages and apologies.
Best wishes is from IIW President Dr. Veena Vyas, PIIW R. Charuji, District Chairman Anuradha ji, District Vice Chairman Mukti ji, all the District Executive Committee. All the PDCs have also sent their best wishes and will join us today on our virtual installation. Apologize, PDC Raji Nahar and District Secretary Rachna ji Malpani. Thank you.
Thank you, Vaishali. It's time for the official reports. To start with, I request Secretary Vaishali Jain again to come and present her report of the year 2019-2020.
Good afternoon, everyone. President Anandita, Chief Guest DC Anuradha ji, Guest of Honor PDC Manjuji Sharma, Incoming President Vaishali Shah, all the district dignitaries, my inner will friends, all Rotarians, Shah families and guests. I am Vaishali Jain, Secretary of Inner Will Club of Pimpri. We have done various projects and activities this year. The list is not exhaustive but indicates the kinds of projects we did. Inner Will School at Babulwadi. Our aim was to upgrade the infrastructures of the school by improving sanitization facilities, make provisions for pure drinking water and repair and painting of school premises. Books for their libraries, blackboard, notice boards, sports equipments and fans were also given. Conducted awareness programs for girls on good touch and bad touch. Training session for teachers was also organized. Child and youth development. School fees of 10 students of Pragna Bodhani School are being paid every year by a member. Fees for 2 boys of visually impaired parents is being given by our member. Organized sports for special children of Sai Sanskar to help develop their motor skill. Palananda drawing competition was held at Vishwakalya School. It was Ahimsa. Lectures and demonstrations of personal hygiene at schools Kingsford. Organized workshop for making paperback for visually impaired. Celebrated Independence Day and Raksha Bandhan with visually impaired children. Conducted a lecture on right of visually impaired our member Advocate Vajanti. Women Empowerment organized vocational training course for 4 girls, gave fees for 2 girls, students for higher studies, fees for computer courses of 1 girl. Best out of waste demonstration at Ramakrishna More College conducted programs of population control, anti-dowry and legal aids, anti-female feticide and protections and self-defense. Put stickers on 10 auto rickshaws to create awareness about orphan-free India, Mission Mamata. Organized wedding of 2 handicapped girls at Mai Bal Bhavan. Dental checkup of 150 students of Gurukul Orphanage. A senior citizen project. Musical program was organized for senior citizen at Moni Baba Vruddhashram. Happy Future project. Pollution control, tree plantation was done at 3 different places. Lecture and demonstration for converting kitchen waste to compost. Water conservation project was done jointly with the COPS. Medical project. Every year, our member gives donation to World Cares Cancer Association. Dental checkup of 100 Warkari women. And Naran Seva Sanstha gave donation for artificial lips operation, walkers and medicines for 1 patient. Donation to Concern Indian by our member. Talked on importance of plants by Ayurvedic doctor. Sanitization management including toilet blocks. Disaster management, flood relief in Western Maharashtra. Donated blanket, medicines, sanitizers, napkin, clothes and groceries. IIW theme project. Organized project Together We Can jointly with Innerville Club of Pimpri Star, Nigri Gen X and Nigri Pride. Conducted musical program jointly with Innerville Club of Khadki, Baner Hills and Pune Downtown. Gave water filters, speakers and telephone at Satara Army Village. Branding of Innerville. Photos of Mission Mamata were put up at Pimpri Saudagar crossing. Other projects. Gave food grains, snacks to Warkari. Felicitated 15 teachers on Teachers' Day. Every year, we contribute for midday meal for school children in ASCON. Attendance in Innerville events. Our member attended district assembly, district rally, district conference, district zonal 1 meet and national rally at Udaipur. Thank you.
Thank you, Vaishali ji. Now comes the खजांची of our club, जिसकी बदौलत हमारे सारे प्रोजेक्ट और क्लब के विभिन्न काम होते हैं. I welcome Treasurer Neelam Gupta to please present her report of 2019 and 20.
Good evening to everyone. President Anandita, Chief Guest Anuradha ji, Guest of Honor PDC Manju ji, Incoming President Vaishali, all the district dignitaries, my Innerville friends, all Rotarians, Mukherjee and Shah family and guests. I am Neelam Gupta, Treasurer 2019-2020, Innerville Club of Pimpri. It is a pleasure to share financial reports of our club from 1st July 2019 to 30th June 2020. We have 2 bank accounts in IDBI Bank, club account and charity account. First, I will share the details of club account. Opening balance as on 1st July 2019, 11,687 rupees. Deposited 35 members fees, 52,500 rupees. Teach collection, 18,800 rupees. Members contribution for district souvenir, 4,600 rupees. Total collection, 88,253 rupees. Expenses, dues to district, 19,056 rupees. Teach celebration, 14,640 rupees. Stationery, 12,750 rupees. Banner, 4,000 rupees. DC visit expense, 5,500 rupees. For district souvenir, 4,600 rupees. Fees fund deposited in charity account, 4,160 rupees. Total expenses, 64,706 rupees. Closing balance as on 30th June 2020, 14,983 rupees. Cash in hand, 8,514 rupees. Charity account details. Opening balance as on 1st July 2019, 3,318 rupees. Total donations received by members and friends, 4,28,733 rupees. Project done in various avenues. Innerville School in Babulwadi, 78,380 rupees. Child and Youth Development Project, we have done 11 projects under this avenue. Total cost is 1,06,570 rupees. Women Empowerment Projects, we have done 4 projects under this avenue. Total cost is 31,225 rupees. Mission Mamta, we have done 5 projects under this avenue. Total cost 63,732 rupees. Project for Senior Citizen, we have done 1 project under this avenue, 12,300 rupees. Happier Future Project, we have done 10 projects under this avenue. Total cost is 30,680 rupees. Medical Project, we have done 4 projects under this avenue. Total cost 33,900 rupees. IIW Theme Project, we have done 5 projects under this avenue. Total cost 22,050 rupees. Branding of Innerville, we have done 1 project under this avenue. Total cost 4,000 rupees. Any other project, we have done 3 projects under this avenue. Total cost is 18,685 rupees. Total project cost 4,01,522 rupees. Closing balance as on 30th June 2020, 22,146 rupees. Cash in hand 5,065 rupees. We have 1 FD in bank, 2,44,109 rupees. All the best to Vaishali and team for the upcoming year. Thank you.
Thank you, Neelam ji. Now, क्लब को दूसरे क्लब्स के साथ जोड़कर रखने वाली हमारी प्यारी सी चुलबुली रोहिणी व्यास अपनी आईएसओ रिपोर्ट पेश करेंगी. रोहिणी व्यास.
Everyone, your President Anandita ji, Chief Guest District Chairman Anuradha ji, Guest of Honor our own PDC Manju aunty, District Executive Committee members, Past Association President Smita ji, invited Past District Chairman, Club Executive Committee members, invited guests, and my dear Pimpri Club members. I'm very happy to place my report of Club ISO before you all. My experience is that a Club ISO post is a very exciting and interesting post. I have loved every moment of this year, though due to my profession and my family commitments, I could not give as much time as I wanted. When I attended Club Officers Training Institute, I got an excellent opportunity to meet, greet, and make many new friends. That started my journey as Club ISO. I was also fortunate to attend District Assembly and the District Conference. During the year, I have corresponded with Innerville Club ISO friends within our district and with the linked clubs in other districts. I started my work with sending my introduction letter. I became the member of ISO WhatsApp group, exchanging information of our club activities and sent greetings for festivals, etc. I had a great opportunity to meet, mingle, and exchange flags with various members of neighboring clubs during the Teej festival hosted by my club. I found that many Innerville members are so much talented, participating and winning various competitions happening throughout the year. I would like to especially express my gratitude our district ISO, Shobna ji, for guiding me whenever I needed. I also want to thank my club president Anandita ji and the club committee for their support and cooperation throughout the year. I would like to wish all the very best to the new team of Innerville Club of Pimpri. Let us have a new beginning, a new normal, and lead the change. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you all. Bye.
That was so nice, Rohini. Now it's editor's report time. So being an editor of the club for the year 2019 and 20, I present my editor's report. Welcome, Vinita Arora.
District Chairman Anuradha ji, PDC Manju ji,
all the district dignitaries, and my dear Innerweal friends. It gives me immense pleasure to bring my editor's report of the year 2019 and 20. It was a pleasure being an editor of IWC Pimpri. I have enjoyed every moment of being an editor of the club. E-Bulletin is a very wonderful concept, working and playing with different apps to compile projects, videos, bulletins. We do our work and at the same time we learn how to do it. We feel so proud when we design and compile different collages, beautiful collages and informative bulletins. In the year 2019 and 20, I designed 9 bulletins, out of which 7 were the e-bulletins, which were released digitally on the WhatsApp groups, and 2 were the bulletins we got printed during installation and district chairman visit. I would like to thank then District Chairman Saili ji, District Editor Lata ji, PAP Smita ji, Vice Chairman Mukti ji, PDC Renu ji, then PIIWR Charu ji, my PDC Mrs. Manju Sharma, my friends, my club members, for all time supporting me with their continuous love and showering me with the messages whenever I asked them to give a message or an article for my bulletin. They were the one promptly sending me the message for the bulletin. So e-flyers were also made on the occasion of Friendship Day, Independence Day, Ganpati Chaturthi, Gokulashtami, Navratri, Diwali, Christmas, all the festivals. We had sent everyone health and happiness wishes on all the groups of editor group, members group, everybody. So being an editor gave me a lot of satisfaction to me, also gave me an excellent opportunity to interact and connect with members of Innerweal family. I wish my Innerweal family a very happy new year ahead. Have a safe, corona-free and a happy Innerweal year. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. After all the reports of the club officers, our president, Anandita, would like to share her experience as president with us. So presenting our president 2019-20, Anandita Mukherjee.
Innerweal greetings to all of you. Let me begin by quoting Swami Vivekananda. He said, quote, "When I asked God for strength, He gave me difficult situation to face. When I asked God for brain and brawn, He gave me puzzles in life to solve. When I asked God for happiness, He showed me some unhappy people. When I asked God for wealth, He showed me how to work hard. When I asked God for peace, He showed me how to help others. God gave me nothing I wanted. He gave me everything I needed. Innerweal year 2019-20 was greatly satisfying year that gave me an opportunity to serve the less privileged in the society. Among the various projects, the ones which are closest to my heart are the Happy School at Babulwade, where we provided 1,000-liter water tank, educational materials comprising of blackboard, whiteboard, fans, cupboards, sports equipment, etc. We conducted awareness program for girls on good touch and bad touch, which was helpful to the girl students. The smile and happiness that we could bring to the students gave me sense of satisfaction and happiness. I thank past President Anagha Ratnaparki ji for her invaluable support in this project. The Mission Mamta project that was about facilitating marriage of 2 orphan girls, one visually impaired and the other hearing, at my Bal Bhavan, Dehu Road, gave us all great joy and happiness, as this project was instrumental in setting up new hope for two underprivileged orphans in their pursuit of blissful married life. I thank CCMM IPP Manisha for coordination. I will always cherish this year forever for making me a better human being, working united as a team, and above all, giving me an opportunity for being of great use to the needy and not so privileged. In this trying and challenging pandemic year, we took initiative in training 4 ladies to stitch masks, practicing social distancing, using WhatsApp video call. We were delighted when these 4 ladies were able to fulfill our order for 250 masks, which we donated to Pimpri Chinchwad Municipal Corporation. In this useful project, I would specially like to thank our project coordinator Sunita ji for coming forward to train these ladies. I would like to express my gratitude to my DC, Kylie ji, for her invaluable advice whenever I contacted her for advice. I express my thanks and gratitude to PDC Manju ji for all the help she provided during my tenure. PDC Manju ji is an inspiration for all of us because of her hard work, dedication and punctuality. I greatly appreciated the fact that she joined me in many of my projects. I would like to thank PP Hansa ji, PP Bela ji, PP Anagha ji, PP Anuradha ji, PP Sangeeta ji, Project Coordinator Sunita ji, Charter Member Sharda ji, Bimal Kaku, Dr. Dipali Patekar, Advocate Vajanti ji, Mohini ji. I would like to thank my Executive Committee members, IPP Manisha, Treasurer Neelam Gupta, Editor PP Vinita Arora, Vice President Vaishali Shah, ISO Rohini, PC Archana ji, Secretary Vaishali Jain, and EC member Neelam Mehta. A big thank you to all IWC members for making this year a successful tenure for me and truly living up to the theme, Together We Can. I would be failing in my duties if I don't convey my thanks to my husband, Mr. Suprasanna Mukherjee, and my son, Aditya, for their invaluable support during my presidential year. I would like to present mementos to my executive committee as a token of love and appreciation for their sincerity and hard work during my tenure, which I will be doing after the lockdown gets over. My best wishes to new President Vaishali Shah and her team to take forward the rich legacy of our club. We would like to present some of the memories of the year 2019-20. Thank you. Stay happy, stay healthy and safe.
जिंदगी मेरी सौ ख्वाहिशां हार के जिंदगी मेरी सौ ख्वाहिशां मैं पूरी करूं जिंदगी मेरी सौ ख्वाहिशां मैं जीना मैं पूरी तरह मैं जीना मैं पूरी तरह
स्टार लाऊंगे हाँ
ये रोक है टोक है नोक है झोंक है पर दिल में फिर भी ओप है ना लाइफ थोड़ी हार्ड है अनदेखे कार्ड है पर हम भी तो स्टार है ना ये मानो दुनिया की हो ही नहीं मैं अपनी दुनिया बनाऊंगी एक जिंदगी मेरी ख्वाहिशा एक मैं पूरी करा एक जिंदगी मेरी ख्वाहिशा मैं जीना मैं पूरी तरह मैं जीना मैं पूरी तरह
अल्लाह
I request President Anandita to please introduce the new incoming President Vaishali Shah.
Let me give you a brief introduction of our new incoming president, Vaishali Shah. Our incoming president, Vaishali, is associated with our club since 2013-14. She has climbed the entire ladder till today's post of president. Vaishali's birthplace is Panvel, and she got married to Rupesh Shah and came to Chinchwad, Pune. She is commerce graduate and comes from a very social and community-loving family. Her father, Mr. Rajnikant Shah, was also past president of Rotary Club of Panvel. Vaishali's husband, Rupesh, is an engineer by profession and is working for Infosys Limited as facilities head. Both Vaishali and Rupesh is blessed with son, Ashay, who is studying in Canada for his graduation in petroleum engineering. Entire family is nature and wildlife lover, and they often contribute their support for wildlife and tribal conservations. Finally, Vaishali has expressed her full confidence in carrying out activities successfully in this pandemic period of COVID-19. Thank you.
Thank you, Anandita. Ladies and gentlemen, the time has come for a change, to change the seats. I request District Chairman Anuradha ji to kindly install Vaishali Shah as the new president of the Innerville Club of Pimpri by saying, install.
Install.
Yeah, that's great. Congratulations, Vaishali. Now I would like to introduce the Executive Committee for the year 2020-21. A powerhouse of energy and skill, President Vaishali Shah. Quiet, sober and serene is our immediate past president, Anandita Mukherjee. Dynamic, creative, down to earth is the new vice president, Sunita Kulkarni. A national gymnast, loves adventure, finishes her law. This year she has finished her law. Is a secretary, Vaishali Jain. outspoken, graceful is the new ISO Archana Rathod. Next comes a bubbly, chirpy, smart, enthusiastic. One thing I would like to add in this, she has taken tremendous efforts to make our virtual installation possible, and she has made it a great success. She has been a great support to us. The presentations and animations today are all done by our Rohini Vyas. So welcome Rohini Vyas as the club correspondent. अपनी तारीफ में क्या करूं? I will continue be the editor of Inner Wheel Club of Pimpri this year also. In our club, we have 3 projects in charge. Social, confident, loved by all is our own Porgy, past president Manisha Samar. Sweet, loving, charming, our past president Sangeeta Deshpande. Ideas is the other name. Projects. Whenever we talk to her, she is just pouring in with her ideas of projects. So she is none other than our past president Anuradha Su. Strong, determined. The PDC, Mrs. Manju Sharma, as CLCC. Advisory is none other than past President Bela Agarwal and past President Hansa Mohan. So welcome Executive Committee 2021. I just request everyone to please keep yourself on the mute position. Please keep your mics mute. After the installation of the President and Executive Committee, I request President to kindly give her first speech, the first maiden speech. Sorry, mine was also mute. Welcome President Vaishali Shah for her first maiden speech.
Hello all. Today's chief guest DC Anuradha ji, IPP Anandita Mukherjee, guest of honor PDC Manju Sharma, all the dignitaries, Inner Wheel friends, all Rotarians and my loving and supporting family, my relatives and my friends who are there on this call. A warm welcome to all of you. First of all, I would like to thank you from bottom of my heart for allowing me to serve as president of our distinguished Inner Wheel Club of Pimpri. I am excited and eager to carry out our goals to my full capacity and capability. While we are settling down with new normal as per today's COVID pandemic requirements, it has become more challenging to reach out physically at various locations. Thus, our focus would be to work virtually or over media communication and reach out to concerned areas and serve them. As per the new normal requirements, we also have our theme of Lead the Change, which is very much suitable for present requirements. Thus, I am working on the project plans as per the guidelines received and will update you all during our interactions. Together, we would equally focus on association goal, hope, and district goal given by our respected DC Anuradha ji. We are also hoping and praying to God that we are out of this pandemic crisis soon and would be able to physically reach out the areas where we would to like to serve our goals. I also request you all for your support and contribution to achieve areas where we would to like to serve our goals. I also request you all for your support and contribution to achieve our club goals and ensure that we are satisfied with our commitments. To be conclude, I would like to express my thanks to all my mentors who has unconditionally supported and acknowledged my work till today. And my heartfelt thanks to past President Manisha Samartha, who had introduced me to our Innerville Club. Thanking you, Jai Shri Krishna.
Thank you, Vaishali. That was so nice. Now, the time has come for the editor to release the new edition of Bulletin Pehchan. I request Anuradha ji to please say release and release in your WhatsApp group also. I have forwarded the bulletin on your WhatsApp. You please release in the groups also, right? So say release.
Okay. Release.
सोचा कहाँ था ये जो हो गया आना कहाँ था ये लो हो गया छुट्टी कोई काटो ना है हमको होश में कदमों को थामो ये है उड़ते जोश में बादल पे पाँव है या छूटा गाँव है अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है अब तो भर चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है
Okay, that was our new bulletin Pehchan, edition 1, July. So now time has come for the introduction of our guest of honor, PDC Mrs. Manju Sharma. I request past President Hansa ji to please introduce PDC Manju Sharma.
Good evening, friends, and a warm welcome to you all. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce our charter member, past district chairman, Mrs. Manju Sharma. Manju was born on 24th July at Meerut, UP. She graduated in arts with English literature, Hindi literature, and economics. She did her post-graduation in economics and then B.Ed from Agra University. Later, after her marriage, she taught languages to junior college students in Hyderabad. Manju joined Innerville in 1997. She was a charter treasurer of Inner Wheel Club of Pimpri. Always an avid reader and fond of writing articles and poetry, she was club as editor for 4 consecutive years. In 2000-2001, she led the club as president. In 2001-2002, as subcommittee chairman, she formed a number of senior citizen clubs. Manju joined the district executive committee in 2002-2003 as the district editor. Thereafter, climbing the district hierarchy ladder, she held the post of district ESO, treasurer, secretary, and twice vice chairman. In 2010-2011, she became chairman of District 313. Later, when the district was divided into zones, she was zonal coordinator for 3 years. Manju was always a very dedicated Inner Wheel member. Attended all events, assemblies, rallies, conferences, 6 triennial conferences and South Asia rallies, held at Sri Lanka, Mumbai, Malaysia and in Pune. Her association with Inner Wheel became a strong and worthy platform for her to serve the society and less privileged. Manju's husband, Paul Harris Fellow, past President Rotarian Rajkumar Sharma, is a technocrat businessman. They are blessed with 1 son, Gaurav, an engineer, 1 daughter, Deepa, a homeopath, and 4 grandsons. Manju's daughter-in-law, Seema, is also an Inner Wheel member. She is the past president of Inner Wheel Club of Pimpri Star. They are settled in Pune for the last 40 years. Manju too is an active Rotarian. Their association with Rotary has been a long and eventful one for 30 years. She believes in, within me is infinite power, before me is endless possibility, around me is boundless opportunity. Why should I fear? So, ladies, this is our soft-spoken, God-fearing Manju, an all-out Inner Wheel member and a Rotarian, one who is full of compassion for the needy and less privileged. So obviously, why should she fear? Thank you.
Okay, that was about PDC Manjuji. And now I request PDC Manjuji to please say a few words. Guest of honor, PDC Manjuji.
क्लब प्रेसिडेंट 2020-21 वैशाली शाह, आईपीपी आनंदिता, डिस्ट्रिक्ट चेयरमैन अनुराधा चाडक, क्लब ईसी, डिस्ट्रिक्ट एग्जीक्यूटिव कमेटी, ऑनरेबल पीडीसी और सभी इनर व्हील बहनों, नमस्कार, अभिनंदन। आज का दिन इनर व्हील क्लब पिंपरी के लिए बहुत शुभ व विशेष है, क्योंकि नए वर्ष में क्लब के 23वें प्रेसिडेंट का निर्वाचन हुआ है और इस शुभ अवसर पर मैं प्रेसिडेंट वैशाली व टीम को बधाई देती हूँ और शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ। साथ ही आईपीपी आनंदिता को सफल वर्ष 2019-20 के लिए बधाई देती हूँ। इनर व्हील में नए वर्ष का प्रारंभ हमेशा चेंज के साथ शुरू होता है। न्यू लीडर, न्यू टीम, न्यू थीम और न्यू प्लान्स द्वारा पूरे वर्ष की योजना बनाई जाती है, उसके हिसाब से कार्य किया जाता है। हमारी इस वर्ष की इंटरनेशनल थीम हमारे इंटरनेशनल लीडर प्रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर बीना व्यास जी ने बहुत सूटेबल और एप्ट दी है, लीड द चेंज। इस वर्ष हमारी डिस्ट्रिक्ट चेयरमैन अनुराधा चांडक बहुत ही डायनेमिक लीडर हैं। आशा है उनके नेतृत्व में हमारी प्रेसिडेंट व क्लब और डिस्ट्रिक्ट नई नई ऊंचाइयों को प्राप्त करेगा। इनर व्हील एक सामाजिक संस्था है जो मित्रता व सहयोग द्वारा सामाजिक सुधार करते हैं। चेंज और फ्रेंडशिप इसका मूल मंत्र है। क्लब प्रेसिडेंट का पद उत्तरदायित्व और निपुणता का होता है। यह टीम वर्क है जिसकी सफलता सदस्यों के परस्पर स्नेह व सहयोग पर निर्भर करती है। आशा है वैशाली व सदस्य सफलतापूर्वक कार्य करेंगे। सभी इनरव्हील सदस्यों को नए वर्ष की बहुत सी शुभकामनाएं और एक नम्र निवेदन भी है। फ्रेंड्स, एम्ब्रेस चेंज, अडॉप्ट चेंज, बी द चेंज। इसके साथ ही एक इनरव्हील क्लब के बारे में विशेष बात मैं बताना चाहती हूँ। इनरव्हील क्लब पिंपरी हर वर्ष बहुत ही सफलतापूर्वक कार्य करता है और डिस्ट्रिक्ट से अनेक प्राइजेस प्राप्त करता है। इस वर्ष भी बेस्ट एडिटर को सेकंड प्राइज मिला है, जो अरोड़ा को मिलता है, सर्टिफिकेट है। सेकंड प्राइज बेस्ट प्रोफिशिएंसी इन कम्युनिकेशन, दिस इज अ ट्रॉफी, ये अनिता मुखर्जी को मिला है। इसके अलावा साइटेशन एंड सर्टिफिकेट्स भी मिले हैं जो प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए हैं। पहला है चाइल्ड एंड यूथ डेवलपमेंट का, दूसरा है विमेन एंड एम्पावरमेंट, तीसरा एसोसिएशन गोल मिशन ममता, चौथा है हैप्पियर फ्यूचर प्रोजेक्ट के लिए मिला है, पांचवा मिला है IIW टीम के जो प्रोजेक्ट किए गए हैं उसके लिए भी मिले हैं। तो इस प्रकार इनरव्हील क्लब दिन प्रतिदिन एवरी स्टेप सफलता की ओर चलता है।
थैंक यू मंजू जी। नाउ अब है हमारे चीफ गेस्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट चेयरमैन अनुराधा जी की इंट्रोडक्शन की बारी। ये तो ऐसे हो गया सूरज को दीपक दिखाना। ये स्वयं ही इतनी गुणवान है, ज्ञानी है, प्यारी है, मैं क्या बताऊं इनका परिचय। फॉर मी, our district chairman Anuradha ji, A stands for attractive, N stands for nacreous, which means a multifaceted personality, which means like colors of rainbow. U stands for uber, R stands for radiant, who is always shining. A is for agile, D is for diligent, H is for hortative, which means whose speech encourages us. So she always encourages us what she says. A is for accomplished. She is a accomplished woman. So my dear friends, let me show you a small presentation of the introduction of our vibrant, passionate, loving and sweet district chairman, Anuradha Chandak.
Share your talent and time because you are the few lucky ones who have got more than your share from the society. The time has come to give it back now. These words of Anuradha Chandak at the inaugural ceremony of Innoville Club of Sholapur Harmony inspired 52 members to join Innoville. About Anuradha Chandak, she is a graduate in home science from Maharani College, Jaipur, a diploma holder in interior designing from Jensen and Nicholson, Chennai, and a diploma holder in web designing from Aptech. Anuradha is a very good orator and has a great command over Hindi. She has worked with Jaipur Doordarshan in her college days. She has been professionally comparing for many events and organizations, out of which a few prominent ones were with Gulzar Saab, Ujjwal Nikam and Padma Shri Muzaffar Hussain. She has also compared at the District Conference of Rotary, District 3132 twice. She has recorded her voice for many documentaries and has also worked in association with Akashvani for a few programs. Anuradha is also a very good writer. She has written scripts and articles for many programs and magazines. Along with this, she is a music lover who enjoys singing, an amateur painter, a great cook, a dancer by heart, a cycling enthusiast, and a nature conservationist. In spite of all her commitments, her penchant for creativity is commendable. In fact, she is a perfect example of beauty with brains. The posts that she has served up till now are Vice President of Maheshwari Pragati Mandal Sholapur for 6 years, member on the Board of Directors of DHP Soni College, Sholapur, and presently she is one of the directors of Vikas Bank, Sholapur. At times it appears that she has more than 24 hours at her disposal. Be it Innoville or any other social commitment, her pillars of strength have always been her family. Anuradha was born in an illustrious Marwadi family to Shri Ghanshyam Das Ji Kabra and Nirmala Ji Kabra, and is happily married to Mr. Amit Chandak, who is an industrialist. He is a past Rotarian, was the president of Sholapur Towel City Roundtable 150 and charter president of M Circle Sholapur chapter. She has two sons, Kushagra and Suryansh, both of whom have completed and excelled in their education and have joined the family business of manufacturing, printing and exporting terry cloth. Anuradha joined Innoveel in 2009 as charter president of Innoveel Club of Sholapur Harmony, bringing back 14 awards in that year at individual and club level. Best club, best president, best treasurer being a few amongst them. She won the election of district editor in 2014, and since then she has been serving the Innoveel District 313 at various posts. She has organized many events at district and zonal levels at Sholapur. She had the privilege to speak at the program President Number 1 in the Triennial Conference at Kolkata in 2015, for which she won many accolades. She also coordinated and organized the All India level talent show Hunar at the Triennial Conference in Pune in 2019. Anuradha Chandak is a gift to our organization, who will keep our wheel of Innoveel District 313 in motion ahead. Presenting before you, ladies, District Chairman 2021, Anuradha Chandak.
That was so beautiful and inspiring. That is great for our District 313. We are very proud of you. So now I request our District Chairman Anuradha ji to please say a few words for our club. District Chairman Anuradha ji.
Thank you, Vinita. That was so beautiful. President Vaishali, Guest of Honor Manjuji, IPP Anandita, IWR Charuji and my district EC colleagues, PP Smitaji, DCCC Naginaji, and I saw Rohini Tai and Savitri ji is also there, Renu ji is there, all the PDCs, guests from other clubs, and my dear Innoveel friends. A very good evening to all of you. Anandita, congratulations to you for doing a wonderful job. You have given a very beautiful year to your club. Congratulations once again. Vaishali, congratulations to you also and your team for taking up this responsibility in such difficult times. And Vaishali, you will lead your club very efficiently. ये समय निकल जाएगा, सिर्फ यादें छोड़ जाएगा. So let's create memories to inspire people around us. कैसे करेंगे हम उन्हें inspire? तो एक चीज समझ लेनी है हमें कि how we react to our situation, how we handle our problems will leave a mark and will inspire or uninspire. कृष्ण को देखिए ना, आज भी कितनों के आराध्य हैं, कितनों को इंस्पायर करते हैं कृष्ण. स्पेशली भगवत गीता जो कृष्ण ने अर्जुन को उपदेश दिया था, गांधी जी से लेकर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम तक हर कोई कृष्ण से प्रेरणा लेता है. एक इसी बात पर कृष्ण भगवान से संबंधित एक छोटी सी स्टोरी शेयर करना चाहूंगी. महाभारत के पहले की बात है. कर्ण, शायद आप सभी जानते होंगे कि कर्ण कौन थे. कुंती के पहले पुत्र थे कर्ण, पांडवों के बड़े भाई थे कर्ण. तो कर्ण ने कृष्ण से पूछा कि कृष्ण, मेरी मां ने मुझे जन्म से ही त्याग दिया, क्या कसूर था मेरा? दूसरी बात उन्होंने पूछी कि कृष्ण, द्रोणाचार्य ने मुझे शिक्षा देने से मना कर दिया क्योंकि वो मुझे क्षत्रिय नहीं समझते थे। क्या गलती थी मेरी? तीसरी बात जो कर्ण ने कृष्ण से पूछी महाभारत में कि द्रौपदी के स्वयंवर में मुझे अपमानित कर दिया गया, मुझे किसी राजघराने का कुलीन व्यक्ति नहीं समझा गया, मेरे साथ इतना बुरा क्यों हुआ? तो कृष्ण जिनकी चितवन पे हम सब न्योछावर रहते हैं, तो कृष्ण ने मंद मंद मुस्कुराते हुए कहा, कर्ण, मेरा जन्म जेल में हुआ था। मेरे पैदा होने के पहले ही मेरी मृत्यु मेरा इंतजार कर रही थी।
गुजरात यूनिवर्सिटी
कुछ कर सकते हैं अपने आप? निमिषा जी,
रोहिणी, check once the
मैम आप अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर लीजिए।
थैंक यू। या जिस रात मेरा जन्म हुआ उस रात मुझे मेरे माँ बाप को छोड़ना पड़ा। मैंने गायों को चराया, गोबर उठाया। जब मैं चल नहीं पाता था तो मेरे ऊपर प्राणघातक हमले हुए। मेरे पास कोई सेना नहीं थी, मेरे पास कोई शिक्षा नहीं थी, मैं किसी गुरुकुल में नहीं जा पाया बचपन में, कोई महल नहीं था। फिर भी मेरे मामा ने मुझे अपना सबसे बड़ा शत्रु समझा। जरासंध के प्रकोप के कारण मुझे मेरे पूरे परिवार को, मेरी प्रजा को, मेरे अपने लोगों को यमुना से दूर जाकर गुजरात में द्वारिका में बसाना पड़ा। कृष्ण ने कहा, हे कर्ण, किसी का जीवन बिना चुनौतियों के नहीं होता है। सबके जीवन में सब कुछ ठीक ठाक नहीं होता है। सत्य क्या है और उचित क्या है, ये हम अपनी आत्मा की आवाज से स्वयं निर्धारित करते हैं। हाउ वी रिएक्ट टू अवर सिचुएशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। इस बात से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि कितनी बार हमारे साथ अन्याय होता है। इस बात से भी कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि हमारा कितनी बार अपमान होता है। इस बात से भी कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि हमारे अधिकारों का हनन कितनी बार होता है। फर्क तो सिर्फ एक बात से पड़ता है कि हम उन सब का सामना किस तरह करते हैं। फ्रेंड्स, नोबडीज लाइफ इज इजी। जो चैलेंजेस हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि हमारे साथ ही वो चैलेंजेस हैं, सभी के साथ रहते आए हैं। और सभी लोग, जो लोग अपने चैलेंजेस से निपट कर, सलट कर बड़ी खूबसूरती से बाहर निकले हैं, खूबसूरती से बाहर उभरे हैं, वो हमारे आदर्श हैं, वो हमें इंस्पायर करते हैं। तो हमें कोशिश करनी है कि इस पूरे साल हमारे जो निर्णय हैं, हमारा जो कार्य है, वो ऐसा हो कि हम लोगों को इंस्पायर कर सके और हम जो निर्णय लें उन पर हम बाद में फख्र महसूस कर सकें कि वाओ, ये हमने किया है। तो याद रखिए, लीड द चेंज यानी परिवर्तन का नेतृत्व करना इतना आसान नहीं है, पर मुझे पता है कि जिस भगवान ने हमें चुना है इस कार्य के लिए, वो हमें शक्ति भी देंगे। तो आप सभी से मेरा अनुरोध है कि तैयार रहिए, बदलाव को हंसकर स्वीकारना है हमें। और आप सभी को मेरी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं हैं कि ये वर्ष आप लोगों के लिए बहुत सफल हो, सुखद हो। Congratulations once again. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Anuradha ji. That was so sweet and inspiring. जो चुनौतियां आएंगी हम उनका अच्छी तरह सामना करेंगे. See, this installation was not possible online, and when we did this work, it was like we have done this. हमने ये कर लिया है. So we are really proud that we are keeping up with the change, right? Okay. So now I request Secretary Vaishali Jain to please present the secretary announcement.
Since July 2020, we have done 3 projects. Our member donated rupees 7,500 to World Care Center Society, Cancer Society. Our member sponsored fees of rupees 7,000 of a student whose parents are virtually impaired. One of our members also sponsored rupees 60,000 for fees of 10 needy students. Our member sponsored books to 2 needy students and also donated food to their families. These all are ongoing projects are lined up, which we will be doing shortly online on Zoom. Our executive committee meeting will be done on Zoom on 30th of July. Our general body meeting will be done on Zoom on 4th of August. Teach online. Details of the program will be sent shortly. Thank you.
Thank you, Vaishali. Now there will be the vote of thanks note by our Vice President Sunita Kulkarni. But before that, I would like to inform my friends that please stay here only. Don't leave us. We have to do a photo session with you all. So please stay with us. Okay. Yeah, this is Vice President Sunita Kulkarni for vote of thanks.
Good evening, everybody. I am here to conclude today's ceremony. Let me thank from bottom of my heart our President Vaishali Shah, our Chief Guest District Chairman Anuradhaji Chandak, Guest of Honor PDC Manjuji Sharma, all district dignitaries who have joined today, Innerville friends, Rotary Presidents, Rotarians, Shah family, Mukherjee family, and our well-wishers. Thank you all for attending the first ever installation ceremony. I thank District Chairman Anuradhaji for enlightening us with her wisdom and for giving us her valuable time. I am sure it will be a great year under your leadership. I thank today's guest of honor, PDC Manjuji, who is always there to guide us. Very special thanks to PP Vinita and CC Rohini for the wonderful virtual installation with their digital work, animation, video and songs which made our today's ceremony colorful. In these times of pandemic, the world is pushed to the wall right now. The best of our work comes out when you are pushed to the wall. During this tough time, we hope to lead this change and achieve success. Thank you all for attending today's ceremony. Thank you. Now, I request everyone to rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Bharat Mata ki Jai. Okay, this brings us to the end of the installation ceremony of Innerville Club of Pimpri. I request President Anandita to call the meeting to adjourn.
Vaishali Shah.
Oh, sorry. President Vaishali Shah 2020-21. Please call the meet to adjourn the meeting.
Meeting adjourned. Thank you.
All the friends, please come closer to us, to our screen, so that we can take your pics.
Congratulations, Vaishali.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Vaishali. 2020.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, please click.
Okay,
Yeah.
there are three screens, for participants. Okay,
Yeah.
screen one, then again I will say smile. So then screen two, then screen three. So
Right.
okay, you have to keep on smiling till the end. Okay. Okay, everyone, say cheese.
Cheese.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
लंबा चीज हो गया.
Okay, again say cheese.
Cheese. Only I can say.
Okay, ये first screenshot हुआ है. Just a minute, I'll save this.
Photo session.
Okay, now the second one. Everyone, again say cheese.
I am saying cheese in all the screens.
Okay.
Rohini, you are really good with it.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm saving. Okay, screen 2. Okay.
Screen 3.
Wait. Okay, now screen 3.
Yes.
Everyone smile.
Congratulations, Vaishali.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay.
My pleasure. My pleasure. Thank you.
Congratulations, everyone. In a big club of
Rohini,
50 for a
nice
new
to see you.
team.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you.
And we
Congratulations.
have done it.
Yeah,
Yes.
Thank you.
so well. Yes, MOC and you both. Yeah.
Okay,
Thank
done.
you.
All the photos done.
Okay,
Anandita,
thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations to you.
Welcome.
Congratulations, Vaishali.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Vinita is always an expert. And Vaishali, I feel so happy to see you today like this.
Thank you, Vinita, and thank you, Rohini.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Vinita,
Welcome.
Job done. Very nice.
All the very best.
Thank you.
Congratulations,
Vaishali. Well done.
Congratulations, Vaishali. Very well done. Very nice.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Vinita, you have done so well. Congrats.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
Vinita, without you, I think Vinita will not be there.
No, नहीं मेरे बिना मैं भी पिंपरी के बिना कुछ नहीं हूँ. I am also.
Yay.
Both are two sides of a coin.
मंजू आंटी आप अपने आप को अनम्यूट करो. मंजू आंटी.
Very nicely done. Very
Congratulations, Vaishali.
Thank you.
Always there for all of us. And she's
Congratulations,
always-
Vaishali Ben.
Thank you, Rohini. Thank you. Thank you. Thank
And Vinita is always saying, Mehuna. She's always
you.
there.
Yes, Vinita is our Mehuna. Yes, exactly.
Vaishali, मैं और एक बार आती हूँ आपकी घर.
आ जाओ. Welcome, welcome.
Hello, Vaishali.
Hello.
Thank you. Hi, Seema. Hi.
Hello. Congratulations.
Thank you, Seema. Thank you. Thank you.
हो आणि तुमचे अकाउंट नंबर आम्हाला सेंड करा. काही डोनेशन पाठवले मी 2000 चे.
Treasurer
नक्की,
should
नक्की. नक्की. Thank you. Thank you so much.
बाय बाय.
Bye. Thank you.
बाय.
Thank you, Nagina ji. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you all for joining us today.
Congrats, Vaishali. Congrats.
Thank you. Thank you.
Congratulations, Vaishali.
Thank you, Jagruti bhai. Thank you. मनीषा अनम्यूट कर बाळा. अनम्यूट कर. तुझा आवाज येऊ दे.
सब लोग प्लीज अनम्यूट करिए.
Vaishali,
Congratulations, Vaishali.
जिनको बोलना है अनम्यूट करिए.
चलो बहुत अच्छा विनीता बहुत अच्छा विनीता रोहिणी रोहिणी
जी
बहुत अच्छा हो
आंटी,
गया।
थैंक यू।
Well done, Vinita. Rohini. You were the pillars today.
Okay. Anything else? ठीक है। Bye.
Okay, bye. Bye and all the best.
Mute, Manisha.
इसको बंद करो। हाँ हमारा अक्सर की गपशप कर रहे हैं।
Okay, bye everyone.
ओके बाय।
Bye. Take care.
Congratulations everyone.
सबको congratulations. Bye bye.
Shall we leave now?
Yes,
Shall we leave?
बाय एवरीवन।
Hi, Smita.
लीव।
Hi, Smita.